Hello YouTube, my name is Jay with Following Forward Financial. I'm not licensed or anything, so I'm just stating my opinion here. Today we're going to be talking about AMD. If you'd like to support the channel, I have a couple links in the description below. I trade on a couple different platforms. Feel free to use my link and get some free stock. I trade on a couple different platforms for a couple different reasons. I trade on Robinhood, Webull, Moomoo. I have an IRA in M1 Finance and Firstrade. Feel free to check out the links in the description. Today we're going to be talking about AMD. I've been watching this stock for quite a while, and I'm going to show you a couple reasons why this stock has kind of irritated me in the last 2 years, as I have been holding Intel, INTC, which as you probably already know, is the major competition. Well, I should say AMD is the major competition for Intel. As you can see, it's had a great 5-year run-up of almost 4,000%. It's gone up 131, almost 132% in the last year alone. It's more than doubled. It's had a great 3-month run, up 18%. The last month it's up 12%. The last week it's been kind of up and down, and the last day it's been kind of up and down. Currently trading at $91.40. As you may already know, Advanced Micro Devices, AMD, is a semiconductor business, and there's quite a few different semiconductors out there, but this stock has really been going crazy here lately. I'm going to show you the main reason why it has irritated me in the last year. As you can see right now, it has a 39% buy, which I think is still good. Some people say to hold, but anyway, to get on while this stock irritates me. As you can see, I bought it back in May 17 of 2008. I bought 10 shares at $12.80, and thinking I was making pretty good money. A little bit over 5 months later, I sold them for a not a bad little profit of $18.65 per share. And as you can see, it's doubled, tripled, almost quadrupled since I sold it. So that's why the stock irritates me. I've been watching it, like I said, for the last year. I've thought about getting into it, and as you can see, it was starting to go up here, $58.90, almost touched the $60 mark in February, and then the pandemic hit, and it still didn't really dip all that much. Went down to about the high 30s, but ever since then it's just been on a tear. It's been climbing, and like I said, I do hold a couple shares of Intel, not a lot, in my retirement. I do like it because it's a big, stable company, but the stock just hasn't been doing much. It does provide a dividend, which AMD does not. But I did come across this article, which I thought it was interesting and makes me want to get back into AMD. I did buy some partial shares on my M1 Finance that I have been holding, and it's been going up nice for me. But I just come across this article as I've been looking at AMD again. On Benzinga, it says, will AMD's stock reach $200 by 2022? Which made me think about getting back into it. Every week, Benzinga conducts a sentiment survey to find out what traders are most excited about, interested in, or thinking about as they manage and build their personal portfolios. We surveyed a group of over 300 investors on whether shares of AMD will reach $200 by 2022. Shares of AMD traded around $91 at the time of publication off the 52-week high or 52-week low of $37. The stock forecast: AMD designs and produces microprocessors for the computer and consumer electronics industries. The majority of the firm's sales are in CPUs and GPUs. On October 27, AMD reported revenues jumped 56% year over year to $2.8 billion. Like I said, they've really been hurting Intel as of lately, which Intel's still a huge company. But quarter over quarter growth came to 45% for AMD. AMD attributed the performance to its computing and graphics segments. Given AMD the demand for both the design and production of microprocessors, 70% of investors told us they are confident that shares of AMD can reach the $200 mark by 2022. So again, like I said, I came across this and really makes me think about getting back into AMD or even trading it like I used to, which, as you can see, I should have just held it. One investor said AMD has a growing consumer base with more appealing prices and better performance overall. The respondent concluded by saying, due to the pricing and performance, AMD's cards are far more appealing to the average person. I believe AMD will improve on revenue going into 2021 and grow their market share. Just to kind of give a different perspective on MarketWatch, as you can see, it's just been kind of up and down, $91, $90, kind of dipped to 90. So if you're trading it, you have a little bit of range for trading. I do like the 1 month. It has been going up consistently from about 82 on up to about 93. It's been kind of dipping and going a little bit sideways there. But I do think it's a good stock to stay in. I wish I would have stayed in it now. As you can see by the charts and all the news that I've been hearing about it, especially with the new Ryzen chips, I've been hearing a lot about those. Also, another one to look at is Taiwan Semiconductor. It's also a good competitor. So again, I just thought I would throw that out there today, and as you can see by the charts, it's a good one to get into, I believe. Again, I'm not licensed or telling you to buy. I'm just stating my opinion as I'm looking to get back into it. And as you can see, again, by the mistake that I made, bought it for $12.80 and sold it for $18.65, which is a good profit. Thought it was a good profit at the time. I just didn't know a whole lot about the company over 2 years ago, but now I do. So now it's one to put back on my radar. So just wanted to share that. Again, if you would like to support the channel, go ahead and hit the like, subscribe, and hit the bell for new videos coming out. I'm a new channel. I'm just kind of getting started. I will be making more videos, probably on Intel, since I do hold that one. I will be watching AMD as well as be making some other videos. Again, check the links, get some free stock, and help support the channel. Have a great day. Thank you. Stay green.